Welcome to Simply Logical. This is Venkatesh. One of the many new riddles to catch people's attention is the cookie banana clock puzzle. The cookie banana clock puzzle typically looks like this. It's not clear where the puzzle originated from since it's now shared everywhere without S and there is no watermark on the puzzle itself. The puzzle reads only 1 out of 7 will get this right. Then it shows 3 cookies added together to 30, 2 bananas and a cookie added together to equal 14, and a banana and 2 fancy clocks added together to equal 8. Then it asks what is the sum of a clock, 2 bananas and a cookie. Are you ready to learn the answer? Feel free to pause the video and give a try before checking the solution. Once done, continue watching the video for the right answer. Let me explain the solution now. The answer to the puzzle is 10. Like many similar math riddles, you need to determine the value of each object before calculating. It's important to note that the cookie in the last question has a different number of chips in it than the cookie in the first question, and the last question has a different number of bananas than the second and third questions. This is part of the trick. The first equation shows 3 cookies, each with 10 chips adding to 30. So each chip is added together to make the sum total. A cookie's sum is the total of chips that you see on it. We can guess that with this being the case, the second line of 4 bananas plus 1 10-chip cookie equals 14 means that the 4 bananas must be equal to 4. That is 14 minus 10 chips equals 4. We can summarize this means that each banana is equal to 1. Finally, we are left with 2 bananas plus 2 clocks equaling 8. Here 8 minus 2 bananas equals 6. There are 2 clocks, so each clock equals 3. If you are just reading through quickly, you might summarize that the last question leads to 1 clock with a value 3 plus 2 single bananas which is equal to 2 plus a cookie with 7 chips which is equal to 7, which adds up to 12. But you would be wrong. That's because you need to look more closely. The clocks actually change time from line 3 to 4, so they are not always what 3. So when you look more closely, you will notice that in line 3, the clocks are pointing to 3. So this means that the clock is worth the value of time on its face. It would be easy to miss this subtle detail since the value on the face just happens to match the value of the clocks added together anyway. The value of the face of the clock in the line 4 is 2, not 3. So you actually have 1 clock with the value 2 plus 2 single bananas with the value 2 plus a cookie with 7 chips, but that's 11, not 10. Okay, still we didn't get the value 10. But how the answer is 10? But wait, there's still more. You see, they also change the sign at the end too. That's super easy to overlook. So it's 2 clock at 2 plus 1 banana times 7. That is chips on a cookie. That is 7 times 1 equals 7, leaving us with 2 plus 1 plus 7 which equals to 10. You multiply 7 times 1 first before adding as per the rule of BODMAS. Going through this logic, we get the final answer which is equal to 10. Let me know if you also got the same answer. Suppose if you got the different answer, let us know in the comment section. That's all for this video. Let's meet in the next video with one more interesting puzzle. Thank you.